Hello and welcome back to the NOSVW channel. I hope you're enjoying our weekly uploads on our current workload. If there's anything else you'd like to see that we do here, maybe more how-tos, more of our cars, more of our customers' cars, please leave a comment at the end of the video. Thank you. Job number one this week was this Californian bay window axle, so it's totally rust free. Obviously California vans are left-hand drive, so we're going to convert this to right-hand drive. We've moved the servo bracket already because the customer wants to fit servo brakes to his late bay. We've moved the damper bracket because obviously it fouls on the steering and the servo bracket. The last job we've got to do is press in a new steering pin and fit the idler arm, and then give it a good sand down and paint it with some Hammerite paint. We also have this big job, and we've been doing this for like 3 days now. It's a motorhome conversion T4. So it's basically what was a long wheelbase single cab pickup with the pickup bed taken off and the drop gates, and then this fiberglass body fitted. You don't see many T4 motorhomes, especially autohomes ones. This was made by a local firm in Poole on obviously the long wheelbase chassis, which is quite rare. This is a 2 litre petrol, which you don't see many petrols. Most are obviously diesel, so being the petrol is quite rare. Someone's fitted LPG to it, obviously because it's a bit thirsty, and the actual job we've got it in for is to wax all it, which was a mammoth task. I've only just finished it about an hour or so ago, but it's come out really nice. First job obviously was to steam clean the whole underside and get any mud off or any loose grit paint, anything loose and horrible really, because not many people ever steam clean or jet wash the underside of their vehicles. So as you can guess, this had a lot of crud and mud and all sorts. But I think it's come out really good. I was going just to do the chassis, the metal chassis, but I decided to do the fiberglass and the wood as well, because the wood I found, if you look up there, was just board, just plain board. It had some sort of protective coat on it, you know, dipped in some sort of you know, coating, but it was holding the water. So I made the decision to do the whole thing. It's a lot more work for myself, but I think the results speak for themselves. You can see it's a bit dark in here. You can see the exhaust is been made up. It's like out of two. It's like two, I'd say it looks like almost like 2 long wheelbase exhausts, and then it comes out at the side exit. Quite an oddball, really. A lot of work, but it needs to be done to make these things last. This has done 97,000 miles, so hopefully it should last a little bit longer. At least give it half a chance. If you do it sort of every 3-4 years, yeah, it should last. This had a factory like clear wax just on the chassis, and you think that was done nearly 40 years ago, and it just wasn't enough. There's the LPG tank there. That was pretty crusty. It had like some white aerosol painted on it, so I've done that, you know, in the black. So hopefully it's that there, as you can see there, is where the lights would have gone, the normal standard lights for the pickup. And what they've done, obviously, they've extended it here with this framework to make it probably another couple of feet longer, just to get that a little bit more room inside. There we go. I'm well happy with that though. I think the customer is well chuffed. It really does look good. Here we go, back on its wheels, so you can see the beast. You don't see many of these around. It's the only one I've ever worked on. I know you see more of the bay window and T25 versions of these motorhomes, and obviously T5s, but the T4 I don't think they made that many. There we go, that's another week over. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.